Hi friends, hope you're doing well. This video is very important regarding the Windows update, and this update needs to be done instantly because it will solve your many problems. First of all, let me show you the update KB5101650. This is a very important update that needs to be done. If your computer has already installed this update, then you are good to go. Otherwise, you need to install it manually. So I will let you know in this video how you can install it. First of all, please have a look. You can type this code 5101650 over the internet, over the Chrome browser, and then you will have all the improvements that are included in this update. So secure boot, it will also support the third-party apps, because if you are facing the problem of loading the third-party apps slowly in your computer, so it is a well-known issue, and it has been fixed in this update. And most importantly, if you are facing the slowness of internet in this Windows 11, so it will solve your internet slowness issue as well. And most importantly, it will give you an extra layer of security. And after that, most importantly, remote desktop tool, which is commonly used throughout the world for the remote connection, so it will fix your all these problems. So this update is very important. In order to do so, you have to go inside the Windows update. Just you need to make sure your Windows is up to date and keep this option on all the time so that you can get the latest update. So once you have check the update, you have to go inside the update history. So if you are already installed 5101650, then you are good to go. No need to install any manual installation. Your computer is already up to date. But if it is not that, then definitely you have to go onto the Chrome browser, then type the Microsoft product catalog, and you have to go here, and then you have to type respective version. like uh, let me check out again. You need to copy from here, and just you need to go onto the Chrome browser, right click on it, paste it, search it, and you will get 25H2 update, and it is also available for 24H2. So this is your required version. Let me show you. And basically this one. So 25, if you are using the 25H2 64-page system, so this one is the required update. Just you need to click onto the download, and you will have two links. You can click either one of the link, and downloading will be started instantly. So once you have the package, you have to just double click on it, and next. Your computer may start several times, and but no need to worry, it's normal. And after the installation, you are good to go. So I will already install it, so I'm going to install this update. So thanks for watching this video, and hit the bell icon forward to inform you for it. Stay safe. Bye bye.